Hello and welcome back. This is a video lecture on the course syllabus of Gondwana University Masters in Computer Science Year 1 Semester 2 Web Technologies. Students, this is a video on PHP. We were learning PHP. In the last video, we have discussed the hardware and software requirements for installing a PHP software. Also, we have discussed how to create variables in PHP. We have seen that the variables in PHP has to be initiated using a dollar symbol. Now moving ahead, today we are going to understand the scope of a PHP variable. In PHP, variables can be declared anywhere in the script. The scope of a variable is the part of the script where the variable can be used. So let's understand what do you mean by the scope. Scope means till where the variable will be accessible. So basically there are three different types of scopes: local scopes, global scope and the static scope. Yes, we have local, global and static. Now let's understand what is the global scope. A variable declared outside a function has a global scope and can only be used outside a function. Okay, now when we are saying any function, in any function a variable is declared outside that function, then that particular variable becomes a global variable, and in that particular case you cannot use the variable inside the function. You can only access the variable outside the function. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Example: variable with global scope. We have started the program and now we are declaring a variable x equals to 5. Just after declaring this variable, we have a function named myTest. In this function, using the comments, yes children, yes students, this is the comment symbol. We haven't discussed how to use comments in PHP, but very soon I am going to discuss how to use comments. But for now, understand these symbols, these slashes makes this statement non-executable. This statement won't be executed, but it's written just to be read by whoever is reading the program. So basically this is a comment. Again, inside the function, with this two slashes, you are again writing a comment. In the comment it's written using x inside this function will generate an error. As I have told you, whenever we declare a variable outside the function, we cannot call that variable inside the function. But see, in my next statement where I have written echo statement is used to output anything on your screen. So in this echo, what's written? P is paragraph tag, as everybody knows. Variable x inside function is, and you have tried to print the value of x, but whenever you execute this program, you are going to get an error. Why you are going to get an error? Because the variable x was declared outside the function, so you cannot access it inside the function. Now again, myTest function echo p variable x outside function. Now as soon as this function is over and you are trying to print the value of x outside the function, definitely the value will be printed. In the next statement, you have again used the echo statement to print the value of x, and here the value of x, that is 5, will be printed. But in above case, it won't be printed because you are trying to access the value of a global variable inside a function. So please remember what is the scope of a variable, कि वो variable उस program में कहाँ तक lived है, मतलब alive है. ठीक है, तो if वेरिएबल ग्लोबल है तो वो अवेलेबल तो है, ग्लोबली अवेलेबल है, बट फिर आप उसको लोकली एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते. आगे बढ़ते हैं और अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय लोकल स्कोप. ओके, सो लोकल स्कोप, अ वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर्ड within a function has a local scope and can only be accessed within that function. Okay, so when I say that any particular variable has a local scope, then in that case you can access that variable within that particular function only. You cannot use that variable outside that function. Okay, let's see this also with the help of an example. Okay, the function myTest, inside the function I have declared this variable $x equals to 5. Echo is a statement used to output anything on your screen. Here also I have a comment say just stating कि ये एक local scope है. Children, I know you people are in your master, so you understand what are comments by now. In many other languages also we have studied what are comments. In very soon I will tell you how the comments are written in PHP, but the very basic meaning of comments you understand, that comments are something which you can read in the program but they are never executed or they are never compiled. Okay, so just as a comment it's written that this is a local scope variable. And echo statement, using the paragraph tab, they had tried to print the value of x, which is definitely going to get printed. Why it's going to get printed? Because local scope था, यही variable declare हुआ और यही उसकी value को आपने print किया, तो यहाँ तो output ज़रूर आएगा. But if in case outside that function myTest, using x outside the function will generate an error. So here in this echo statement, when you are again trying to print the value of x, this will generate an error. So you have to understand कि अगर वेरिएबल फंक्शन के अंदर डिक्लेयर है तो फिर आप उसको फंक्शन के बाहर कॉल नहीं कर सकते. वो उसकी लोकल स्कोप थी, वो वहीं पे बॉर्न हुआ और वहीं वो डेड हो गया. जब ग्लोबली कोई फंक्शन जो वेरिएबल को हमने बाहर कहीं डिक्लेयर किया था तो फिर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस वो किसी पर्टिकुलर लोकली आप उसको कॉल नहीं कर पाओगे, किसी फंक्शन के अंदर आप कॉल नहीं कर पाओगे. होप यू हैव केप्ट इन टू नोटिस कि यहाँ पे हमने कहीं पर भी ग्लोबल या लोकल कीवर्ड्स का यूज़ नहीं किया है. बट वेरी सून वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ एंड व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ अ ग्लोबल कीवर्ड. सो व्हेन आई यूज़ अ ग्लोबल कीवर्ड, देन the exceptional case arises कि in that particular case कि अगर आपने किसी वेरिएबल के आगे ग्लोबल कीवर्ड लगा के उसको रिट्रीव करने की, उसे एक्सेस करने की कोशिश की है, तो देन इट इज़ पॉसिबल. देन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस यू कैन एक्सेस अ वेरिएबल विच वॉज ग्लोबल बट आप उसको लोकली एक्सेस कर सकते हो यूजिंग दिस ग्लोबल कीवर्ड. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. The global keyword is used to access a global variable from within a function. Okay, तो जो फंक्शन जो वेरिएबल ग्लोबल था वो फंक्शन के अंदर एक्सेस नहीं हो सकता था. बट इन एनी पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन आपको चाहिए कि आप अपने बाहर डिक्लेयर्ड वेरिएबल को एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन के अंदर कॉल कर सके, तो इन दैट केस आप उसके आगे ग्लोबल कीवर्ड लगा लीजिए. टू डू दिस यूज द ग्लोबल कीवर्ड बिफोर द वेरिएबल. हाउ? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड with an example. So this is a particular example. PHP code begins. In x you have stored value y, in y you have stored value 10 and now you are writing the function. तो बेसिकली ये दोनों वेरिएबल क्योंकि फंक्शन के बाहर है, ये ग्लोबल वेरिएबल्स है. बट अब अगर इनको अंदर कॉल करना है तो वो तो नहीं हो सकता था, वो एरर देता था. बट फिर भी आपको कॉल करना है तो सिंपली उनके आगे ग्लोबल कीवर्ड लगा दीजिए. अगर आपने उनके आगे ग्लोबल कीवर्ड यूज़ किया एंड देन यू आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सेस एक्स एंड वाई, तो डेफिनेटली आप कॉल कर पाओगे. आपको एक्स भी मिलेगा, वाई भी मिलेगा, आप उसको ऐड भी करोगे और रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा. ठीक है, एंड देन यू कैन आउटपुट योर वाई. सो इफ वेरी सिंपल ग्लोबल कीवर्ड का यूज़ करके हम ग्लोबल वेरिएबल्स को लोकली कॉल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि ये स्टैटिक कीवर्ड क्या है. येस, व्हेन आई वाज टेलिंग यू अबाउट द स्कोप आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट ग्लोबल, लोकल एंड वन मोर थिंग वाज दैट वाज स्टैटिक. तो PHP द स्टैटिक कीवर्ड. ठीक है, मैं आई डोंट वांट कि प्रोग्राम ख़त्म हो जाए, प्रोग्राम का एग्जीक्यूशन ख़त्म हो जाए, बट मेरे वेरिएबल की लाइफ रहे. वेरिएबल शुड नॉट डाई अलॉन्ग विद द completion of the program. In that case just write a static keyword in front of your variable, then that variable remains static. How? Let's see. When we do not want a local variable to be deleted and needed for a further job, हम नहीं चाहते कि वो अलॉन्ग विद द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम वो वेरिएबल डिलीट हो, रादर वी वांट द सेम वेरिएबल फॉर फर्दर जॉब, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसके आगे स्टैटिक कीवर्ड लगाएंगे. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑल्सो विद एन एग्जाम्पल. PHP code begins, you have a function myTest. Inside the function you are declaring a variable x with value 0 and then you are trying to print the value of x. Yes, the echo statement works similar to an print या output statement. Anything you write in echo will be displayed on your screen. So echo $x means 0 will be printed. Just after printing the value of x, आप x ++ कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं आप x को इंक्रीमेंट कर रहे हो और फिर आपका फंक्शन क्लोज हो गया. तो अगर यहाँ पे स्टैटिक कीवर्ड नहीं लिखा होता तो x वेरिएबल की वैल्यू यहाँ पे डिलीट हो जाती, वो डेड वेरिएबल हो जाता, ना कि उसने जो मेमोरी पकड़ के रखी है ना वो रिलीज़ हो गई होती, अभी वो मेमोरी में नहीं होता. बट जस्ट बिकॉज हमने वहाँ पे स्टैटिक कीवर्ड लगाया है ना, वो स्टैटिक रहेगा, वो डिलीट नहीं होगा. एंड देन just after writing this function you are trying to call myTest again 3 times you have called this function. तो every time पहली बार जब कॉल किया था तो 0 प्रिंट हो गया था, नेक्स्ट टाइम कॉल किया तो $x++ यानी 1 प्रिंट होगा, फिर 2 प्रिंट होगा और फिर 3 प्रिंट होगा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. आई एम सो सॉरी. 1 2 3 नहीं, every time you are trying to print it will print 0 only because static है. okay, now PHP comments. Yes, I was telling you about this PHP comments कि yes you know what are comments, but in particular in PHP कैसे comments दिए जाते हैं, let's understand that. तो in PHP a comment in PHP code is a line that is not executed as a part of the program. Its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. Someone who is accessing the code, someone who is looking at the code can read it. Example, syntax for single line comments. Okay, see, just 2 slashes, anything you write in front of it, this becomes a single line comment in PHP. Multiple line comments are also there. Let's look at the syntax for multiple line comments. In case of multiple line comments, you need to have a slash, asterisk, write as many lines of comments you want to write and just close it with an asterisk slash. Look at this code. Okay, before I close, something was pending, that is echo statement. To display something on your screen, you use this echo. The PHP echo statement is often used to output data on your screen. So here PHP code begins $txt w3schools.com echo I love txt. So it will print I love w3schools.com. So anything you write in echo will be just displayed as an output. यहाँ next example में echo $x plus $y, that is 9 will be printed. okay guys, now by this you understand कि echo तो वैसे output देने के लिए use होता है, but along with echo there is one more statement called print. So in my coming videos you are going to understand much more PHP in depth, and in the next video we are going to understand what is the difference between echo, print, what is the benefit of using echo, everything in detail. I hope whatever I have been taught you today you have understood. If you have any doubt, please comment me or you can text me in the group, and thank you.